Namaskarams. Welcome back. As we move along through the aksharams of the Panchadashakshari mantra, we continue to seek the blessings of Sri Rajarajeshwari through the brilliant verses of Adi Shankaracharya's Sri Rajarajeshwari Mantra Matrakastavam. Today, we will be chanting the fifth shlokam with the aksharam of the Panchadashakshari mantra, Hreem. Please join me. Let us chant. Hreem bijagata nada bindu bharitam Omkara nadatmikam Brahmananda Dhanodarim Gunavatim Jnaneshwarim Jnanadam Jnanechhakritinim Mahim Gatavatim Gandharva Samsevitam Shri Chakrapriya Bindu Tarpana Param Shri Rajarajeshwari Shri Rajarajeshwari Shri Rajarajeshwari. The meanings? Salutations to Goddess Sri Rajarajeshwari, who arises from the seed syllable Hreem, who is filled with the power of sound, and Bindu, whose true nature is the primal vibration Om, whose inner being is saturated with the bliss of Brahman, who embodies all noble qualities, who is the goddess of knowledge and the giver of wisdom, who delights in knowledge and the play of will, who moves upon the earth and is worshipped by Gandharvas, heavenly musicians, who is beloved of the Sri Chakra and absorbed in worshipping its central Bindu, who is the supreme queen, Sri Rajarajeshwari.